Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hemlock and Oak, which I started using at the end of June, beginning of July. So I just wanted to take you through a flip through. Gosh, I'm looking at it now and I've already got it dirty. But basically Hemlock and Oak is a Canadian planner company, and I will actually put a card up in the corner here to my unboxing of this planner. But I just wanted to take you through a flip through of how I'm using this 2 months in. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the monthly spread. Now, they have great pages for year at a glance and how to do goals and things like that, but I haven't personally used them. I went straight to using the monthly spread, so you can do your own goal setting here, habit tracking, and I actually use this whole space. So this space actually looks like this completely blank space to plan. I use it as a little bit of a memory planner. So I've left space, I put stickers around the outside and then put pictures in here of important events that happened in the month. And I really like being able to look back on that. And so I've used stickers from, looks like it's a mix of GP Sticker Studio with the Happy Planner. These are my quotes. This one is from Let's Plan It. I just love the overall look of this, and these circles are from Create with Mandy. Really pretty. And then this is the actual monthly spread where you get to see my habit tracker, which I love the way that it looks once it's done, but I have not been great, and it's really a way to highlight what I focus on, what I'm not focusing on. And then in the actual planner spread here, I use this as my social media planner. So you see IG and YT for YouTube. So I plan out my posts, I plan out the color of the background for my Instagram posts, and I plan out my videos. And then I also have pre-planning of big events in this area. So I really like actually how much space is in the monthly spread. It gives me a lot of room to do both social media, my habit tracker, as well as pre-planning. So then moving to August, I used the Teacher Floral sticker book from the Happy Planner. I didn't do as much habit tracking in this one, but I just wanted to really make use of the space for pictures. So that's from Robin's birthday, from when I opened my shop. So that was the first day of orders, and then the weekend in the mountains with my sister. And then this is the monthly spread. I stopped habit tracking from the 18th onwards. Really, really bad. But that just shows you that, you know, you can have the greatest intent with a planner, and sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't, and that's totally okay. What I've also started doing down the side is actually planning out which theme or which kits I'm going to be using for my spreads for that week. So really this monthly spread is multi-purpose, multifunctional for me. And then I've decorated September. Hasn't been used as of yet. I have done some habit tracking in here and some social media spread, but this is kind of like in the middle of being used here. So then let's move over to the weekly pages. So the monthly pages are all in one section, and then the weekly pages start in a different section. So for those who like having the monthlies and the weeklies separated, the undated Hemlock and Oak is for you. If you do not like them separated, then you can actually purchase one of their dated planners, and it will keep the monthly and the weekly together. So this is the first spread that I did, and this was using date covers from GP Sticker Studio, and really I was just experimenting with the layout and how it was going to work for me. The way that I use the sidebar is definitely not the way that I use it now, but I like being able to mix, you know, the emojis, having this whole area down here for meal planning and tracking my steps. And if that's not what you want to do with this area, you can do so much more down at the bottom here, but I love seeing a full spread like this, because it's a mix of memory planning as well as to-do lists, as well as my meal tracker. I love it. I love it. Then the week of the 5th of July, this is when I decided to start tracking my sleep and my workouts, and I used stickers from the Floral sticker book. This sticker book was from one of the floral happy boxes from the Happy Planner. And then this is when I also went a little bit crazy on all of the emojis, but it just makes it so fun with all of those emojis from the Coffee Monsters Co. Yeah, mostly this is Coffee Monsters Co. I hadn't received my other ones yet. Oh, that one's from Pretty Cute Planner. But again, I love the combination of the Happy Planner stickers with the emojis and the mild liners and the washi. I feel like I'm getting into my groove in this one. This week I was using the Leafy stickers from According to Allie. So I was using her washi and her stickers, and then I combined it with date covers from Mimi Rose Co. Unfortunately, this shop is no longer open. I was actually part of her PR team like 3 years ago, and I still have lots of those stickers left. And then I was able to use a lot of the different emojis, trying to really use my stash of stickers from the last few years. There were a whole bunch of stickers from before I made the Happy Planner Squad from smaller shops that I never used. So for example, this was from Hey Danny Co. She's not a shop anymore, but I loved her hand-drawn stickers. This is from Pretty Cute Planner. The Coffee Monsters Co. I'm not sure. This was from a sampler that I got, and this is from Green Darner Designs, these two. So I love being able to really use my stash when it comes to these types of spreads. And again, I'm getting into a groove with how I like everything. Then July 19th, I used this gorgeous washi from According to Allie to match with the florals and the alcohol ink. So there actually were two types of washi that I used from Allie, the floral as well as these hexagons. And I also combined it with a few of the boxes from different shops. So there's going to be days where it's empty, but that is absolutely okay. But I love looking back and seeing that, you know, we had family movie night. I love folding laundry stickers. It just makes folding laundry so much more fun. Family time with my parents, visit to the groomers. I just love looking back on these and love seeing it filled out. Seeing after the pen spreads is my favorite. Then this week I took Dream Seeker, which is my favorite Happy Planner sticker book, and combined it with some Simply Gilded washi, and really tried to make the most of a Happy Planner sticker book in the Hemlock and Oak planner. But I, of course, combined it with emojis from different shops, and the overall effect of this spread is just, I love it. I absolutely love it. And then I have a couple of new shops in here as well. So this is from Paper Bits Co. What other new ones are there? Be-Do & Co., which are Canadian. So trying to really up my, up the amount of small shops that I am purchasing from. And then into August, the week of August 2nd, these stickers are from According to Allie, and it was a collaboration with, I believe it was, I can't remember now, but it was a collaboration. I'm going to post it on here once I do remember. And it was the Hot Summer Night stickers. And then I combined it with this sampler of the Simply Gilded washi that I received. I feel like this spread isn't as colorful as it could have been. I could have added a lot more colors that were in the washi and the stickers, but still, it's fun to look at, to look back on it and see things like, my husband and I watched 2 movies that evening. Actually, it was a holiday, and I got some shop prep done. So this was actually the week that I had off work, so I did a lot of shop prep in this week. And then editing vlog, socializing Lucy. See, it's so nice to look back on these. I love them. I'm looking back on my sleep tracker as well. Then the week of August 9th, I used the coffee stickers from According to Allie and combined them with washi from Together with KX, as well as Simply Gilded. And then I started using my own script stickers in here. So that is my weekend script sticker. But I just love all of these coffee stickers, and like the coffee stain. And then I started adding some stickers in here from Create with Mandy, trying to really make use of the space, using the emojis, different stickers to just get a different look for this spread. I love spreads that are very functional and fun, as you guys can see with these. Then the week of August 16th, this was the weekend that my sister and I were going away to the mountains. So I used the Mountains and Meadows washi from the Coffee Monsters Co. paired with the Steel Bow washi from Simply Gilded. And then I found these florals from the Flower sticker book that matched perfectly with this washi. So I went with the whole blue-green a little bit of gray theme as well. Really love the colors of this one. I feel like it's so bright and happy, and it was the perfect fit for my weekend away. And then the week of August 23rd, I used these gorgeous butterflies and this neutral alcohol ink from According to Ally, and I combined it with this washi that I had found from my old stash, like from years ago, and it just went perfectly. I'm all about the washi again, guys. Like probably in the last 2 months, I'm all about the washi. But I really tried to be more flexible with the placement of the decorative stickers, and I think it did work out well for me here. And the orange and blue is definitely different colors than I'm used to working with, but again, love the result. And then lastly, last week's spread from August, for the week commencing August 30th. This is not completely done yet because it's only Friday that I'm filming this, but this is from the Coffee Monsters Co. This is her back to school kit for the Hobonichi Cousin, actually. I decided to experiment with a Hobonichi Cousin kit to see if it would fit in here, and it actually does fit quite well. I love that basically it was only a 2-page kit, so I could really make the most out of it, and I wouldn't be left with like pages and pages of a kit that I would never use. And then I went with really light colors from my Mild Liner and Tombow collection. But again, such a cute kit for the kids' first day back at school, which was on Wednesday. And then this page, so for the week of September 6th, this is the most recent decorated spread. But I love looking back on this, and I mean, this is one of my favorite things to do, is just look at all the habit trackers. Like, how fun is that? All right, but that is the flip through for July and August of my Hemlock and Oak. You guys can use code Karina10 to get 10% off your order. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.